Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexei, and today what we're gonna be doing is converting MIDI drums into audio files. So here I have a MIDI file in Studio One and I have a MIDI track. On my MIDI track I'm using drums library, which is Cream drums from Bogren Digital. Let's have a listen. And for some reason I want to convert this MIDI file into separate audio tracks. Let's open Mixer of Studio One. So here we have 16 MIDI channels. Let's have a listen. And I want to take these 16 MIDI channels and convert them into audio tracks. So again, let's open our drums library. We're using Cream drums from Bogren Digital. Let's open Mixer menu. So here we have 16 drums from kick, kick sub, trigger kick to overheads and room. And under each track we have audio channels. So for instance we can route our kick to our first audio channel. Then we can route our kick sub to our second audio channel. Then we can route our trigger kick to our third audio channel. Then we can route snare tap to our fourth audio channel. Then we can route our snare bottom to our fifth audio channel, and so on. Here in Studio One Mixer we have a menu on the left and we need to open Show Instrument Rack. So at the top of Instrument Rack we have Contact 7. Now let's use double click of our mouse, and here we have 16 audio channels of our Contact 7. And since we're using a drum library which is called Cream drums from Bogren Digital, I already named each audio channel of Contact 7 according to Cream drums library. So our first audio channel of our Contact 7 is called Kick according to Cream drums library. Our second audio channel of our Contact 7 is called Kick Sub, again according to Cream drums library. Now we can close Mixer of Studio One, and the question is how to take this MIDI drums file on our MIDI track where we are using Cream's library in our Contact 7, and how to convert this MIDI drums file into separate audio drums tracks. So in this case on our MIDI track, which is called Kick, we have to hit right click of our mouse, and in this menu we have to choose Transform to audio track. We have to check from Render audio channels to Remove instrument. We have to check Render channels. We have to check Render inserts. Check. Then we have to check Preserve instrument track state. Check. And finally we have to check Remove instrument. Check. And now we have to hit OK. button here. So we have to wait a couple of minutes, and after waiting for some time, we got 16 separate audio tracks. Now let's highlight all of our audio tracks and let's hit Command plus B. And now we have super clean drums audio tracks. And also, as you can see, we have names for each of our drums audio track. And let's have a listen again. So now you know how you can convert MIDI drums into audio tracks. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.